guys, welcome back to another video. I was about to jump in the shower when my doorbell rang, and it was a delivery guy, so I had to quickly sort that out. As usual, around this time or in the past few weeks, every time I get a parcel, I just empty it outside and then leave the box out there, you know, with all that's going on, and then just take the content out. So today what I've received, I've actually been waiting, but I am excited to receive this. It was my parcel from Browns. Basically I've ordered something from Browns, I can't remember what it was, and when they send that delivery, they sent me they kindly gave me like a discount code or coupon, which then I use to purchase this. This is a scarf, which it's from a brand called Toteme. I don't know if that's the right way to pronounce it. So before I jump in the shower, I'm going to quickly show you guys this because it is an amazing wool scarf. It's exactly what I've been like dreaming to have, or in my head, but I didn't think that obviously I could find it so easily. So let me quickly show you. The brand is called Toteme, and this is their virgin wool extra long scarf, which I wanted obviously for when the winter comes in. So I found this brand by chance on Instagram, and their clothes are absolutely amazing. The tailoring, the simple silhouettes, it kind of like reminded me of the robe, but without obviously the price tag, and everything is simple, but you look at it and you're like, wow. And personally, it is my kind of type of brand because I like simple, you know, clothes, like, you know, especially if they like black. So I am going to be obviously looking and seeing what else. I wanted to receive their scarf first and then see what the quality is like, because you may never know, you know, when you take pictures, you can make things beautiful. So at the moment, I'm quite impressed with this. So this was purchased obviously from Browns with a discount code. I believe the scarf retails at about, I think it was 135, and then obviously plus the discount code, but I will put everything in the description in the box below. And yeah, so if you obviously want to see what the brand, like what type of clothes they make, yeah, you can check them out on Instagram. It's Toteme. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name right, but it's Toteme. Beautiful, and they are a European brand. And yeah, you know, it might not be your cup of tea, but obviously you might find something that you do. They do everything. They do your dresses, skirts, shoes, and just the whole lot, really. So I will go ahead now and try this on for you guys. It is very extra long, so I'm gonna try my best obviously to try and style it in different ways and show you guys ways I'm thinking I'm gonna be wearing the scarf. guys, I absolutely love the scarf, and I think the brand did very well. Yeah, so Toteme is a brand from, I believe, from Stockholm, and it was founded, I think, in 2014, so it's quite a new brand. But as I've said, their pieces are so iconic, so classic. You can have them in your wardrobe time after time after time. So I believe it's Eileen and Carl who are the founders of the brand. I am a super fan. I'm definitely will be buying more stuff from them because I'm just in love with the scarf. The only thing I will say about the scarf, because I'm such a short person, and it is called the extra long scarf, as you have seen while I was trying to drape it. You gotta obviously think of the ways to style it, and obviously as a short person, I'm gonna have to sort of like play around with it. It will look almost bulky, and it kind of reminded me of a picture of Lenny Kravitz when he had that huge scarf, but obviously it's not that big, but because I'm short and it is an extra long scarf, so yeah, I will have to play around with it. And you know, I'm sure I will post pictures on my Instagram as I play with it. And I don't know, it's so warm, but obviously I'm not gonna know exactly how warm it is until I wear it in winter. But wool is always obviously warm. It's perfect for winter. So we've got our winter anyway in the next few days. Actually, next week, I think winter kicks in on the 21st. It has been cold, but not that cold that I need to start putting, you know, sort of like scarf. But it arrived perfect, like at the right time. And I'm really glad I got this, and excited to obviously wear it going forward and styling it in different ways. And yeah, so guys, check them out on Instagram, Toteme. I hope it's the right way of pronouncing it. And yeah, the pieces are absolutely beautiful. I'm sure you'll find something that you know, will suit your style. And it's not just black stuff. They've got all kinds of, they've got denim, white, you know, nudes, all sorts of things. So I'm sure you'll be able to find something. So I'm gonna end this vlog here, guys, because I need to rush. I need to go meet up with the gentleman, one of the workmen, who's going to be doing work in the house, to buy a few things that he needs. So I'm going to jump in the shower as I have planned, and I'm going to be on my way. So if you have liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. And also, again, if you have not liked it or you didn't give us a thumbs up, do let me know in the comment, you know, what type of content you would like to see, or why you didn't like it, so that I can improve the content for you guys. I can't believe it's already on whatever day it is now of Vlogmas. And when I started, I wasn't sure if I could keep up with posting content every day, but every day I'm just excited to post the content for you guys. And the comments you've been giving me, you know, the feedback I've been getting a lot of feedback through my DM for some reason, my Instagram. You can leave comment, guys, on, you know, the YouTube channel, and then I would definitely respond. If you haven't subscribed, I would love you to become part of my family, so hit that subscribe button. And if you're already part of the family, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you know, you being part of the family. And if there's any type of content you want me to post, do let me know in the comment below, down below, or shoot me a DM on Instagram. On Instagram, I am Nontoli, and I will see you guys on the next Vlogmas, which is tomorrow.